Hello, I welcome you all to this another interesting screencast. The problem reads: the joint of a space frame is subjected to four member forces. Member OA lies in the XY plane, and member OB lies in the YZ plane. Determine the forces acting in each of the members required for equilibrium. This problem is coming from the Engineering Mechanics Statics textbook, 13th edition by R.C. Hibbeler. So let's draw up the free body diagram. So we have OA that lies in the XY plane. We expect a component in this direction, okay, and another component in that direction, right? Okay, right, it lies in the XY plane. Then we have F2 that lies in the YZ plane. So we are going to have a component in this direction. Then we have another component in this direction. Anything else? That's all. So this is just going to be equal to, we label the forces. This is F1, F1 cos 45, and this is F1 sine 45. This is F2. This is F2. This is F2 cos 45. This is F2 sine 45. Alright, then we have summation of forces. Summation of forces in the x equal to 0. What do we have? We have a negative F1 sine 45 equal to 0, right? And summation of forces in the y. Summation of forces in the y equal to 0. We have F1 cos 45 minus F2 cos F2 is cos 40, right? This is cos 40. Where was the 45 coming from? Sorry about that. This is sine 40, sine 40. So cos 40 plus F3 equal to 0. Right. Then we have summation of forces in the z equal to 0. We have F2 sine 40 minus 200 equal to 0. So from the first equation, we know that F1 will just be equal to 0. Okay. So from this equation here, we know that F1 is just going to be equal to 0. F1 is equal to 0 pounds. Okay. Then from this equation, we know that we can calculate F2. F2 will just be equal to, just grab your calculator, it's 200 divided by sine 40, which is just a 311.14 pounds. Okay, then we can feed. We know that F2 is equal to 311.14. This one F1 is equal to 0. Therefore, our F3 is just going to be equal to 3114 times cos 40. So this gives us a 238.35 pounds. Okay, so I think this is about it. We found F1, F2, and F3 required for equilibrium. I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, give me a thumbs up, like my video, continue subscribing, sharing my channel. Bye bye. See you in my next screen.